If you want to get better always on a display on a Google Pixel 11, what you can do is you can go to the Play Store and then you can download a third-party app that allows us to get always on a display. So in my case, I'm gonna use the search option, and then we can use the search field at the top, and usually you can just type something like always on a display, and you can find many different apps that allow you to get AOD on your phone. Now, in my case, I'm just gonna use this app over here. This one is actually pretty great because not only it provides always on display, but also edge lights. So if you want to get edge lights, then this app might work for you as well. So I'm gonna install this app and I'm gonna show you how to set it up. But at the same time, if you find out that you don't like the app, or maybe if it doesn't work for you properly, I encourage you to check out other apps that you can find in the Play Store, and maybe you can find something different that works for you. So I'm gonna open the app over here, tap on the draw over apps, wait for the next menu to appear. In here, we need to find the Movies Edge app, and we want to allow the app to display over other apps. There we go, we're gonna go back. And now we can switch to AOD here at the bottom. And as you can see, we have a couple of different options. Many of them are free, but some of them are premium. Usually it is determined with this star here in the upper right corner of AOD. And there is also customization available for these different AODs. However, the customization is usually, unfortunately, not for free. So let's say I like this AOD over here. Here, as you can see, we have the edit option. We can also switch the preview to notifications. Of course, we can grant the access to notifications for the app, so it can display notifications on AOD as well. So we can easily do so, just like that. And you can, of course, keep going to grant the access to calendar, to battery, and so on and so forth, in case it is not granted yet. So there we go. And besides that, we're going to tap on apply here in the bottom right corner to start using this always on display. Now, before we actually show the AOD, what is also recommended to do is to go to settings. And here we have the always on display option. You want to make sure that AOD is enabled over here. You cannot adjust the brightness of always on display. You cannot adjust the timeout for AOD, which you might want to actually decrease from 5 minutes to like a couple of seconds only. We have the low power option, we have the orientation, how we want to close always on display. So I usually prefer to use the single tap option. And you just check out these settings and see which one you would like to adjust. Alright, so let's see how it looks like. I'm just gonna unlock the phone now, and we should be able to see our always on display. There we go. And that's pretty much it. You can tap once now, or twice, of course. It depends on the setting, to go to the lock screen. And that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.